Yeah, Ray, Hot Rod Ray with a Zephyr V12. He's got it cranked up. Showstopper here at Donut Derelicts. We're on the bonus donuts coverage this morning. Hot Rod Ray on Instagram. Look at that. Got his belt on. He's ready to roll.
I've only seen a couple of original Zephyrs. They were pretty
Yeah, raise it up, Ray. Looking good. Bonus donuts.
Doesn't sound like it. Doesn't sound like it now.
Donuts. Look at that, back it up with a Merc. Look at this. Roll with the bonus donuts. Look at that, huh? Yeah. 3 on the 3. Bonus donuts. Fat fendered on bonus donuts. Yeah. Nice tone to it, huh? Yeah. My buddy David over there. Innovative detailing. Right there. Look at this flatty, huh? Yeah. Alright. Hey, look at this, huh? 60 deuce. Accessories. We got them all. Impala, bonus donuts. We got the 58 rolling out here. 58 convertible, drop top, yeah, wide, whites on caps. 348 motor in there, 3-speed on them, solid. I work about every day, bro. They just happened. They came with me from birth. I don't know. I didn't do anything, but they were a factory operative, factory installed.
Holy shit, man! Do a lot of walking, bro.
We got the Hellcat rolling out there. That'd be Kenny King. Bonus donuts. We got Fred over here. Behind the car, hey Fred? Yeah. We got the bird rolling. All right. There you go, Fred.
Are you late today or what?
Yeah, I was
here. Second run through.
No, I already. Yeah, this is bonus donuts coverage. I already ran through. You weren't by the car.
Nah, I was out talking to the guy down there with the GMC.
Yeah, but we flashed a for sale sign on Danovision, so maybe somebody will say, "Hey, I want a one-of-a-kind car, and I know where to find it. Right there."
Definitely one of a kind.
It definitely is. Yeah, it won't be a duplicate anywhere. Yeah. Bonus donuts. Embo. Bonus donuts. We got the Love Struck Embo. Bonus donuts. Have a good day.
I love you, Melody.
The Romance Channel. What are you gonna do later? He made blowing kisses to Melody. Yeah. Bonus donuts. Yeah, sounds good, huh? Yeah. That's a bike with a big V8 on it. Bonus donuts rolls on. Look at that, huh? How pretty is that? Yeah. Man, that is sweet right there. Look at that. Bonus donuts. Look at this, huh? A javelin. Bonus donuts. Look at that, huh? Javelin. What do you got rolling out next? Fat fender going a different way. Bonus donuts down on line. That cab over. Bonus donuts. Yeah. 53. Look at that. Got some low profiles on it. Chevrolet. Yeah, look at that big exhaust coming out right in front of the rear tire. Got it tubbed out anyway. Bonus donuts. I saw you. Yeah, I did. Okay. Bonus donuts. Hey, TPO, 65, TPO, bonus donuts. We got John, Jay, and S Gear. I hadn't made it by yet. I'll come by this week.
Okay, no problem.
All right. John, Jay, and S Gear, Huntington Beach, California. And there's Chris. What's up? You got some donuts? Hey! Bonus donuts. We got an F-100 coming out here. Yeah, look at that. How sweet is that? We got a Dodge Coronet. That is a 440. F-100, yeah. Down alive. Yeah, we're about cleared out of here, the parking lot. Dan was almost the last one to leave. But check it out. We got Tall Mike with his Wicked 70 talking to Dominic. We'll get Dominic coming out with his limit. But look at that, huh? That is Tall Mike. Look for him on Instagram. Tall Mike. Wicked 70 or Wicked 70. There you go. How about that? Tall Mike. We're gonna hook him up on his Instagram. Donut Derelicts, there's the Dano man. You see it. What a difference a few hours makes. People clear out, get the regular folk in here, the businesses get open, and all the hot rods leave. The most busiest place in Southern California or in the world on a Saturday morning. All right. We're going to conclude this edition of Bonus Donuts right here in front of Adams Avenue Donuts. We got Dominic cruising out with his red line Charger.
Best video man in Surf City, Southern California.
And we all know that is the most handsomest man in any car night, cruise night, anywhere. Charger RT, that'd be Dominic. Bonus Donuts, we are done. Adams Avenue Donuts, that's the place.